number 5, and that is the Hiway Hauler, one of my all-time favorites. This has got Lightning McQueen on the back of it. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today, we have the Pixar cars, 5 in the series from Walmart. We got these from our friend Brent. He got them the other day, brought them to us. Thank you very much, buddy. Like I said, there are 5 cars in the set. Let's get right to them. Number 1 is the Combat Medic, and that has got Buzz Lightyear on it. It's done in white pearl, has a chrome plastic base on it. The wheels are all small red chrome OH5s, and the window is a light blue tint. The interior is black plastic, and that is it. Pretty cool. Number 2 is the Altered Ego. It's got a couple of monsters on the front there. It's got little Mike and the big guy and whatever that other lizard-looking thing is. This has got a very, very dark body to it. It's a metal body. The paint is a metal flake. The base is a kind of an olive green plastic. The wheels are purple chrome 5-spokes, big ones in the back, little ones in front. Big chrome engine, and you can see the tampos on it right there. Number 3 is one of my granddaughter's favorites. That is the Finding Nemo, and this is the Path Beater. That's done in a nice dark candy apple blue. Has medium size OR6s with an orange chrome ring on them all the way around. Has the orange plastic interior and the roll bar and the bed liner in the back. The window is also lightly tinted orange. The base is chrome plastic. Number 4 is the Fished and Chipped, and that is done in red enamel. Has a chrome plastic base on it. The wheels are white BBS, or the lace wheels as some people call them, wire wheels. They're all small ones all the way around. Interior is black, and the window is, it looks like it might be amber. Got a Hot Wheel logo in the back window. And that is basically it for that one. Last one up, number 5. And that is the Hiway Hauler, one of my all-time favorites. This has got Lightning McQueen on the back of it. It is done in yellow enamel. Has chrome window, chrome front grille, the gas tank on the side, all that stuff. And it has a dark charcoal gray plastic base. The wheels are all medium gold chrome 5-spokes. But the thing with this one is, you know, all the ones that I've seen after Brent brought these to us have a broken blister on them. I think Brent might have found one that had a good one, but I haven't seen any that have a good blister on the back. So there you go. All 5 of the brand new Pixar cars from Walmart. You get a chance, stop at your Walmart, check it out, see if you can get some. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it. Please leave a comment. Please share our videos. Please subscribe right there. And please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.